Dear students, in this video we will solve the today's paper of ICSE 2023 biology, in which we have to attempt section A, which is compulsory, and any 4 questions from the section B. So let's solve the paper. First, in this video we will deal with only section A. Question number 1 was MCQs, in which you have to select the correct answer. The set of chromosome in a human ovum is, because females have only X chromosome. So here the answer will be X chromosome. The sex chromosome in a human ovum is X chromosome. Next is which one of the following is a biodegradable waste? So here the answers will be flour. Heart sound dup is produced when semilunar was closed. So this third answer is the correct answer. D. Plasmolysis occurs when a plasmolysed cell is placed in tap water. The answer number 2 is correct. Alpha cells of pancreas secrete glucagon and beta cells secrete insulin. So here the answer will be glucagon. Haploid number of chromosomes are found in sperms, because rest all are body cells, so they contain diploid number of cells of chromosomes. The lifespan of RBCs is 120 days. The statistical study of human population is called demography. Answer number B is correct. The pale yellow color of normal human urine is due to pigment urochrome, which is answer number C. The stimulation of the nerves of the sympathetic nervous system increases heartbeat, that is accelerates the heartbeat, because it deals with emergency situation. The nervous system becomes active in emergency situations, so the answer is accelerating heartbeat. The site of light reaction in the cells of green leaf is grana, because it contains chlorophyll. So grana, the answer number B is correct. Next is the paper used to demonstrate unequal transpiration dicot leaf is cobalt chloride paper. Vitreous humor is present between retina and lens. Oxygenated blood to the liver is supplied by, obviously it is an artery, so that is hepatic artery. During the synthesis phase of the cell cycle, more of DNA is synthesized. So answer number C is correct. So all the alphabets I have written here as answers. Answer number 1, you can check your answers at whether you have written correct or not. Now let's come to the name the following. First question was the organelle that forms the aster during cell division, so that was centriole. A genetic disorder in which blood does not clot is hemophilia. The permanent stoppage of menstruation in human females around the age of 45 years is menopause. The openings on the bark of the tree through which transpiration occurs are called lenticels. A gaseous plant hormone which promotes ripening of fruits, artificial ripening of fruits, is ethylene, that is the only gaseous hormone. So these are the answers of question number 2. Next question was arranged in logical sequence with the underlined words. So here I have written all the sequence. Number first was starting with cabbage. So cabbage is eaten by rabbit. Rabbit is in turn eaten by snake, and snake is in turn eaten by hog. That is a food chain. Next is soil water is underlined. Soil water is absorbed by root hair, then it is in turn moved to the cortical cells, and then finally the water moves to xylem. Next is receptor. So receptor receives the stimulus and sends it to spinal cord, and then the effector gives the response. Next is conjunctiva, is the transparent front layer of the eye, and next layer was cornea. Next is lens, and that is fovea, that is fovea centralis, also called as yellow spot, that is situated in the middle line of the middle axis of the retina. Next is testis. Sperms travel from testis to epididymis to sperm duct to urethra. So this is a logical sequence of all the terms that has been given, starting with the term that was underlined. And next was your matching, in which question number A, that is hyposecretion of thyroxine in adults, will give you myxedema. So answer number 1 is 2. Hyposecretion of insulin causes diabetes mellitus. Hyposecretion of growth hormone in childhood will lead to gigantism. Hypersecretion, that was hyposecretion of ADH, causes diabetes insipidus, and hypersecretion of thyroxine causes exophthalmic goiter. In this question paper, the answers are written wrong, and these are the correct answers: A2, B5, C4, D1, and E6. Next was, you have to choose the odd one out with the category of the rest of the following. So in the question number 4th part, A part was pesticide was the answer. and rest are used in medical field, that is uses of bandage, face mask and syringes. Next was effluents. Others, that is dust, smoke and carbon dioxide, are gaseous pollutants, and effluents is a liquid pollutant. Next was uterus, because urethra, urinary bladder and ureter are related to excretory system, and uterus is related to female reproductive system. Next is telophase, because rest of the phases, that is menstrual phase, follicular phase and luteal phase, are associated with the female reproductive system. So here you can write female reproductive system, because reproductive system can be of male also. So female reproductive system. And the last answer was cochlea, because the other three, that is malleus, incus and stapes, was can be classified under the category of ear ossicles. Next was state the exact location of, so thyroid is situated in the front part of the neck on either side of the trachea as a bilobed gland. Dura mater is the outer tough layer of brain. Next, amniotic fluid is present between fetus and amniotic sac, which protects the fetus. And next was papillary muscles, which are found in the ventricles of the heart, attached to the walls of the heart, and chordae tendineae, that is attached to the chordae tendineae. Next is islets of Langerhans. They are situated in pancreas, that is an exoendocrine gland. So these are the answers of section A, and in the next video we will discuss the entire section B from question number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 3 to 8 questions we will discuss in the next video.